Hey guys, my name is Mark. I'm a technician at White Sands RV in Summerdale, Alabama. So today we're going to talk about the importance of water pressure regulators. So there are many different reasons and benefits to using a water pressure regulator. One of which is to keep your hose from blowing up over time. If you were to have your water pressure on for any extended period of time, your hose could get air bubbles in it and just start leaking or explode. So the water pressure regulator will actually stop that from happening. In addition to that, the most important part is it's going to keep your water pressure regulated going into the camper. So most RVs have a max operating pressure for water somewhere between 50 and 100 psi. So there's different sizes and shapes of water regulators, different brands. Anyone in an RV parts department can turn you in the right direction as to which regulator is right for your camper. The one I'm holding in my hand in particular is set to 40 or 50 psi. Now the whole reason that you're going to want to use a water pressure regulator is the valves and whatnot inside of your camper are set to certain pressures. The regulator keeps those pressures from keeps too much water pressure from going inside the unit and damaging those valves. So today I'm going to show you how to set it up. Super easy. You just attach a hose to it and go on. So in the next steps of the video we'll talk about that. Alright, so installing your water pressure regulator is a really easy thing. There is a brass spigot coming out of the ground which is called the city water connection. So what you're going to want to do is take your water pressure regulator and actually attach it to the spigot, and then where you would attach your hose, you attach it on the back of this. So this goes on at the spigot, and then you take your hose and attach it to your camper. A lot of people want to put this on the camper itself, but that defeats half of the two-stage purpose. Because like I was talking about earlier, the hose can swell over time due to too much water pressure. So if you put this on at the beginning of the hose, it's going to stop that hose from blowing up, and you won't have to buy as many hoses throughout the year. It prolongs the life of the hose, and it also protects your camper. So first step, putting this onto the spigot, and then you put your hose onto this. Alright guys, in conclusion, I'd like to thank you for watching our video. Continue to follow us on YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at White Sands RV, and stop in anytime for all of your RV needs.